Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Notary Public. So right now I'm over at Windsor-Island-Resort, and this is a Pulte Homes community. Just want you to see the exterior of this Lakeshore model. It's definitely one of my favorites in the community. It has a really great floor plan. Now if you are interested in this home, as always, please do contact me first before you head over to any home builder. Heading to the home builder alone may void your free realtor representation. So right now we're going to go inside and take a look at the Lakeshore. It's a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 2,587 square feet. This is probably my favorite home over here at Windsor Island. And especially for the price, it's really beautiful home. Layout, the pool, just fantastic. Beautiful model, I love it. Okay, so I'm not going to be opening up the door to the left. That's the sales office. Really nice furniture here, I like it. So here we have a half bath. And we got this nice closet. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of room out here. Tons and tons of room to sit, to enjoy yourself. Fantastic pool. Look at that size of that pool. Beautiful. So this room over here, which is a master bedroom on the first floor, this is one of the reasons why I love this floor plan. Here's your toilet room. And this is really nice because you have two closets. I know I'm showing the floor heads. I just want to show you exactly what it looks like. So you have one closet that leads into another closet, which leads into storage underneath the stairs as well. So it's pretty cool, pretty well thought out, especially for you know, for two people that might want to share a closet or even more. I like the floors too that they put in. And today's a cloudy day here in Florida. It's a cool day and a cloudy day. Okay, Okay, and over here's your pantry, but it's kind of like you got two pantries with that other one, which is just much smaller, but it has shelves, but you could use it for anything that you want, which was right over there. Okay, so let's go up to the second floor. Wow, I like these. I really like these floors and these stairs. I like the color. I like the gray. There's Mickey. Oh, there's Yoda. And Chewie. I'm actually looking to the left, so got two Mickeys. This is the Mickey room. Very nice. Beautiful model. Now, one of the things about the homes over here that I do love is that they have a bathroom attached. So that was the Mickey room, and this is the Star Wars room. Chewie looks like he's having a bad day. Bad hair day. Alright. Very nice room. You got a lot of light in here. Okay, so I just want to give you a little isometric view of this room, just so you can kind of see the size with me in it. There's my head. So you have a pretty good sized closet over here. And something else that makes this home really great is this loft. I'm gonna have a peek in this closet. Just your air conditioning. Yeah, got a really big closet out here in the hall for everyone to share. And have another bedroom with a attached bathroom. So the rooms in this house are all very large sized rooms. The space is very well spread out. You can see how big this room is. Really nice looking cabinets. Beautiful. So let's see this closet. So this is your second master. Pretty cool having two masters. Again, another very good sized closet. Toilet room, nothing exciting in there. Plus you have this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a walkout just so you could see me in the house for a little bit of a size perspective. I'm also going to give you some isometric views along the way, just like this, just so you can see the room a little bit better from a different angle. In this bedroom, I'd like to actually try to give you a little isometric over here because I felt like this one has some nice space. Really nice space around this room, around this bed. Oh, light went out. Actually, the power went out. Oh well. I guess the power went out. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I have no pressure sales. Also, check out my website at wintergardennew.com. You can always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page if it's listed on the MLS. And also, always keep in mind to contact me first before you... Oh, we got lights. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so over here is the loft. I'm going to give you a little bit of a higher up view over here just so you can see how big this loft is. It's really fantastic. Lots of room. Definitely excellent for just hanging out, watching TV. This is really a great home for a vacation or to live in. I mean, it's really fantastic setup. So here's a high up view of the kitchen, living room area. These pools, I love these pools. That pool is just, oh, it's calling me, even though it's freezing and it's cloudy outside. Well, I mean, it's not freezing, but it's cold. It's too cold for the pool right now. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you. And always keep in mind that if you do contact any home builders yourself, you typically void your free realtor representation. Okay, as soon as they have your email, your name, your information, your face, stuff like that, it can void it. Not always, but many times it will. So contact me first for the best service from the start. Thank you.